So we need to discuss question number 14. Question number 14. Mathematical induction. Question number 14. 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus up to so on up to n terms. In this question there is no nth term. Up to n terms is equal to n by 24 into 2n cube plus 9n plus 13. This is the question. For this one solution. So here nth term we need to calculate. Nth term Tn is equal to first term 1 cube, second term added to the previous term 1 cube plus 2 cube, third term previous term also added 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, like so on. Our nth term is numerator n cube, summation up to so on n cube, by denominator 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on. This can be written as 2n minus 1, odd terms 2n minus 1. This can be written as summation n cube by summation 2n minus 1 is equal to summation n cube. Already we have the formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 by sum of odd terms formula n square. Here we can cancel n square. So and left out value goes to n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is our nth term. Now 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus up to so on plus n plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to n by 24 into 2n cube plus 9n plus 13. We are making this as equation 1. Let this is true for n is equals to 1. So here we are splitting LHS and RHS. We are splitting LHS and RHS. So LHS value is n plus 1 whole square by 4. N value 1. We are substituting 1 plus 1 whole square by 4. That is equal to 2 square by 4. That is equal to 4 by 4 will give it as 1. Coming here RHS, n by 24 into 2n cube plus 9n plus 13. Replace n value as 1. 1 by 24 into 2 plus 9 plus 13 is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 13. 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 13 24. 24 by 24. That is equals to 1. Here this we can cancel. Here this also we can cancel. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. N is equal to 1 is true. N is equal to 1 is true. Now assume that this is true for n is equals to k. Replace n as k in equation 1. 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus up to so on plus k plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to k by 24 into 2k cube plus 9k plus 13. This goes to equation number 2. Now k plus 1th term, is k plus 1 plus 1, that one we can write it as k plus 2 whole square by 4. Add to equation 2 on both sides, then we get equation 2 implies 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus k plus 2, direct I am writing k plus 2 whole square by 4 is equal to k by 24 into 2k square plus 9k plus 13 plus adding term k plus 2 whole square by 4. Here we need to think about RHS only. So here 1 by 24 multiply k inside 2k cube plus 9k square plus 13k plus expansion of this one k square plus 4k plus 4 expanding in the form of a plus b whole square. Now entirely we can go for LCM, which goes to 1 by 24 24. So here 2k cube plus 9k square plus 13k, here 6 multiple because of LCM, so 6k square plus 24k plus 24. This is equal to 1 by 24 into 2k cube 9 plus 6 15k square plus 13 plus 24 37k plus 24 is equal to 1 by 24 into, or make it as equation I am writing as it is 2k cube plus 15k square plus 37k plus 24. I am making this as equation 3. By hit and trial method, k plus 1 is the factor. K plus 1 is the factor. So now we are doing hit and trial method. So here k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we can go for minus 1. Here I am writing the coefficients of these things. First value 2, second square term 15, next to coefficient of k 37, next to 24. Here by the verification, first place we need to write 0, 2, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, 15 minus 2 goes to 13, minus 1 into 13, minus 13, 27 minus 13 plus 4 24. So minus 1 into 24 minus 24. So here we got success. So this is k square term, this is k term, this is constant term. So that is equal to 1 by 24 into, we got k plus 1 as the factor. Now remaining goes to 2k square plus 13k plus 24. This is the condition. Now we need to go for factorize this also. 1 by 24 into k plus 1 into 2 times of, I am making perfect square form, k square plus 2k plus 1. Here total we have 13 k's. Out of 13 k's, 4 k's left to, remaining 9 times of k plus 1 plus here 2 left to, here 9, 9 plus 2 11, so remaining value 13. Therefore 1 by 24 into k plus 1 into this can be written as 2 times of k plus 1 whole square plus 9 times of k plus 1 plus 13. Therefore n is equal to k plus 1 is true. Hence equation 1 holds.